yes, ATM logistics firms have reached out to Indian Banks Association, and they have now cited the concerns which have occurred after the fuel price hike as well as minimum wage hike which has happened, and therefore they have demanded higher charges from banks amid rising operational costs. Apart from that, what companies are saying that due to the overall operating costs have actually risen by 15 to 20% after West Asia crisis and fuel price hike. And therefore, the companies which includes CMS Infosystems, Brinks India, as well as SIS, now these companies are seeking revision in ATM cash loading charges because their costs, their input costs, their operating costs have actually risen. Now they are saying that the frequency due to demand supply gaps are adding to logistics expenses, and therefore the companies are saying that what banks should consider is higher charges for them so that they can sustain, because the operating costs have risen by 15 to 20%. Now, industry is of course pushing for these ATM charges, but it will be interesting to see whether or not banks pass on these charges to customers. For now, it is just a demand which has been made to the banks by the ATM Logistics Association. We need to wait and see if at all there is some impact by banks as well.